Want to see Road Roller McQueen? Wait a moment. Been expecting you. Brought what you asked for. Excellent, my friend.
I don't want candy anymore. Please, let me out.
Oh,
I'll give you a beating if I get out of here. Don't worry, McQueen. In a moment, you won't remember what we did to you. Hey, I need to use the bathroom right now. Trying to trick me to escape, McQueen. Dream on.
What is that horrible smell? Hey, dog, did you fart?
So it was you, McQueen.
just a little more, McQueen. You'll be an unbeatable machine.
We did it! It's finally complete! Now the real fun begins. Hey, you've been playing long enough. My turn now. Oh my God! You broke it!
No, you did. It was your fault.
Oh no! What's happening?
It's him. It's the pig, not me.
Serves that nasty pig right. And the dog, where did he run?
He's here. Road Roller McQueen is here. Yes, that's him. Run!
Run. What do I do to escape Road Roller McQueen now? Oh no! Fine. Stay up there until tomorrow's dinner. Let's see if you'll come down then. Road Roller McQueen. I'm not that stupid pig.
Hello? Police! The Joker dog! He's sitting in the tree outside my house! Please help me!
I'm a genius, aren't I?